The requests library makes HTTP calls simple. GET requests fetch data from ARPAS. The response object contains all the server's reply. The .json method automatically parses JSON responses into Python dictionaries. Now you can access data like any Python dict. Status codes tell you if requests succeeded. 200 means success, 404 means not found, 500 means server error. Always wrap API calls in try-except blocks. Raise_for_status throws exceptions for HTTP errors, making error handling easier. The params argument automatically formats query parameters. Much cleaner than manually building URL strings with parameters. Post requests send data to servers. The JSON parameter automatically converts Python dicts to JSON and sets proper headers. Many ARPAS require specific headers for authentication or to specify data formats. Headers are key-value pairs sent with requests. Always set timeouts to prevent your program from hanging indefinitely. This is crucial for reliable applications. Many ARPAS require authentication. Requests provides built-in support for various auth methods like basic auth, API keys, and tokens. Sessions reuse connections and persist headers the cookies across requests. Much more efficient than individual requests. Real-world API functions should handle timeouts, errors, and return meaningful data. This pattern works for most ARPAS. Responses come in different formats. Use .json for JSON ARPAS, .text for HTML or text, and .content for binary data like images.